Took this trade in the A period right after the open. I'm watching the overnight there. I have that open just to the left of the A period. You can see how we're kind of rotating. So that's what I'm thinking that we're going to end up doing. So I'm looking for a spot to get in. I just want to let this settle a little bit. And you can see we're bouncing between that, basically that low volume node and the low volume node, towards the bottom there. That red line is just an old low. I eventually take that out of there. I forgot to take it out. So that doesn't mean anything. So I'm waiting for this to pull back a little bit. We're rotating around that open. So right in there, I add one. If we pull down a little bit further, I'm going to add another one. I didn't want to see this extend any farther down. So I thought that was a pretty good entry on that second one. Now what I'm looking for is to get through that low volume node, and I'll highlight that here in a second. And then the next area that I would look at is the halfback and the VWAP area that I have the arrow pointed at. So I thought I wanted to take the first contract right around that halfback, and I'd try to do it before we got there. I think that's about 30. I think it ends up being about 32 ticks is what I get on the first one. Obviously, if this would have powered right through there, I could hold it, a little bit longer, maybe try to get back to that top of the range. But I try to take my first contract, right around 27, 30 ticks, something like that. So as we push up here, I think it's this push, I'll pull that order down and take that first contract. Yeah, that was about 30 ticks right there. So on the second one, I'm trying to get basically to the blue line. So you can see the low volume node at halfback. Then I thought if we got through there, the next obvious area would be the top of that node, basically where I highlighted it, or where the blue line's at. This is really volatile, compared to what I'm used to. So I'm protecting a little bit more. Like right there, I dragged that up to protect the 40 ticks on that last contract. And as this fades up here, gets close to my target, I'll take it right there. And that was about 59 ticks.